Memphis, are you ready to give this a try? Oh my goodness. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this, which is kind of like a dog puzzle toy. Of course, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and why I'm saying kind of like a dog puzzle toy. This is actually really, really neat. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So you can see here, we have the unit. It has a hole in the bottom of it. We have the button right here. And when we push this button, stuff's gonna come out of here. Well, once I fill it. So let me show you. So when you take the lid off, you're gonna see this little ball inside of here. It also comes with a cute little scooper, so you can scoop some food down in here. It has an on and off button on the back of it. So we're gonna turn that on and we're gonna turn this button on. This is the button. On the bottom of this, there's a button to change the sounds that this makes. But basically, when the dog pushes this, it makes a noise that spins around and it's gonna spit out some treats. And as I said, this has multiple different sounds that you can do. I kind of like the whistle one the best. I think doorbell. The whistle one is my favorite, so we're gonna try it with that. There's two different things you can do with this. You can put it in this base here, or you can actually put it up on top of the treat station as well. Oh, and I also wanted to show you that this has a little tray that comes out, so the treats will fall down in here, or the food, or whatever you are using to feed your dogs. We're gonna see if Memphis can figure this out. I bet she can. So I just put a little bit of snacks in there. The other thing I wanted to show you is on this ball here, this is adjustable. So that'll change how much actually comes out of here. So if you only want a little bit to come out at a time, you can adjust it. If you want a bunch of it to fall out, put it all the way open. All right, think you can do it? I think you can. Let's figure it out. So she knows there's treats in here. She also knows I'm grabbing a button. I also appreciate the fact that there's a handle on the back of this. So let's see. Here. Push a button. Push. Good job. Look, you did it! What did that take? 2 seconds? It took her 2 seconds to figure out what she's doing. For most dogs, you're going to want to start with that button up on top of the unit. You didn't push it. You didn't hear it go. Oh, I guess you can't hear real well, can you? There it went off. Over here. You did it! You did it! Maybe I'll put it closer for her. Make it a little easier. Okay, push button. You can do it. You already figured it out. Push a button. Push the button. Okay. So she knows what's making it work. Right here, baby. Right there. There. Push that button. Push the button. Don't push it away. She's like, I pushed it. Well, how come it didn't happen? Right here. How'd you get it so fast and now you can't figure it out? I'm going to let you try. I'm going to let Eleanor try too. And Kira. No, don't throw the whole thing. Right here, sweetheart. Right here. Right there. Yes! There you go. I think she figured it out. I like that there's a little tray at the bottom and it catches in the tray. Can Eleanor try now? Let me let Eleanor try. All right, so for Eleanor, I'm going to put it on the top. Eleanor, touch. First, she's got to check it out. Touch, Eleanor, touch. Yes, good girl, yes, good job. She's like, whoa, the snacks come right out. Can you do it again? Touch, touch, right here. Touch, right here. You just did it. You can do it again, right here, touch. Touch with your nose. Touch, right here, touch. You can do it. I'm not doing it for you. You got to do it yourself. I'm going to let you try too, Kira. One more try. Touch. Touch. Oh gosh, that was so close. Right here. Good job. Oh no. There you go. I was going to say, is it empty? There you go. Good job. Now I think she's figured it out. There's a button and she touches it and the treats come out. All right, let's see if Kira can do it. All right, Kira. Good job. Are you going to figure it out the fastest? I barely turned the camera on and you were pushing the button. Kira, touch. Touch. Good job. Do it again. Good job. Kira figured it out. Kira's like, this is how you do it, guys. You push this button and it goes. Yeah, really? Of everybody, you figured it, like you actually figured it out. Good job. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I guess you win the button pushing game. She got distracted. She knows She knows exactly what she's got to do, though. Push the button, treats come out. I'm actually using dog food to make it easier. I don't need to give him that many treats. Is this a win, Kira? She's like, this is pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. So this could actually work great as a slow feed mechanism too if you have a dog that eats really fast. And as I was saying, this piece here, I have it all the way open now just to show you guys. When you push the button, it will put more food out if you want it to. Or, you know, you can close it, it'll put less out. Or if you keep it even more closed, it's only gonna put, like that time it put 2 out. So I like the fact that it does that. The entire thing is USB-C rechargeable, both the button and the unit itself. And you can take this apart and you can wash all the components and then hand wash everything you need to wash. You gonna jump over and try again? All right, let's let Memphis try one more time. There you go. She did it. If you're looking for a fun, interactive treat toy for your dogs, we recommend this.